Hi all, welcome to the demo of Banker's AI Assistant. So, a very quick context on what a Banker's AI Assistant is. This acts as a co-pilot that is built with AI for the banker on his day-to-day activities. This is the customer picker screen that you're seeing here, which helps either onboard a new customer with very bare minimum details, or if the banker is going to have a session with any of his existing customers, he gets to pick any of this existing customer profiles and then he can just start the session. For the demo purpose, I'll just demo a customer's profile called Ryan Patel. Once I click on this customer, Ryan Patel's customer, this is the screen that you will see, which says Bank AI Assistant. You see on the top left panel this relationship memory. This has all the persistently saved history as memory from all the previous conversations. So what this copilot does is that it helps summarize all the sessions from all the meetings that he has so far with the customer, and then it builds its own profile for the customer. Based on that, it suggests the customers based on that conversation that he's going to have on that session today. And then this voice sentiment tab that you're seeing here does a live transcription when the customer is talking to the banker, and it does the sentiment analysis both from the facial expressions and from the voice. uh, as soon as I start the session, since I am the only actor demoing now, I will have to give the phone number of the customer for verification purpose. So for that purpose, I have just pulled the customer's phone number from the profile. If you see, this is the SQLite DB integration that we have done, which has the real integration of all the customer conversations saved as memory, till all the meetings he has so far. If you see, it says meeting number 5, which has all the summary of the last conversation that the banker had with the customer. I just pulled it up for me to check the phone number. As soon as I start session, I will talk for a minute as a customer, giving couple of inputs, and then I will read out the phone number for it to perform the phone ownership check. I'll just turn on my camera and then I'll start the session. Hi, I have few questions on my existing account that I have, and then I would also like to open a joint account with my wife, and then I'm also looking for few other options, that anything that you can suggest me for. And then for you to verify, uh, since you just asked for my phone number, my phone number is 415-332-7890. As soon as you see what's happening, this fraud checks that you see, identity checks, it already says the customer found is in the internal DB. Phone ownership in the live activity tab here, if you see, if I just scroll it down, by then it would have said that we are see, just to confirm, Ryan, is there anything else that you like to confirm me? So it gives live, this coach tab is the live suggestions that AI gives for the banker, and then this log, consistently keeps updating on what happened, what check happened, what is going to be happening the next as such. And then here in this voice sentiment tab, it continuously analyzes the voice and then the facial expressions, and it gives the sentiment analysis here. This stays throughout the whole session, and it does few fraud checks, and then it pulls up the customer's account based on the SSN and phone number that we have provided. And then as the customer and the banker speaks, it predicts any life events, and then it also does some compliance checks. And now in this actions tab that you see, based on the whole conversation that the banker and the customer had, it will generate certain action items for the banker that you will see as soon as I click on the end session. Once I click on the end session, you will see the issue You will see the resolution what we did, and you'll also see few action items that the banker had, and then on what for the banker to do with the conversation that he had with the Ryan Patel. It brings up the CRM notes, it gives a cross sell options, it and then this Copilot persistently adds this summary also to his profile, so that the profile builds up using the every conversation that the banker and the customer had. If I just reload this one, you will see the another meeting that happened, and it will summarize this conversation as well. Thank you.